So how do you open the camera in iPhone from a lock screen? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so there are actually more ways how you can access the camera on lock screen, right? The first one is by locating the button. So a lot of iPhones have the button right there. So there's usually one for flash, the other might be for camera, and then you can hold down on it to open up the camera. And if you want to change it, like set up these buttons, hold down on the screen, go to the customize, and choose the buttons right there to be the camera, right? So if you have something else, you can tap on the minus and bring here the camera toggle. The other way to access camera on a lock screen is by swiping left on the page, right? So you can like reveal the camera from that, right? So for that, your iPhone doesn't even have to be unlocked because it's like very important to quickly capture the photos. That's why the like feature exists. However, it is possible that this might also be turned off in the settings, right? So when you check out the settings app of your device, make sure you go to the camera section, and in there you should be able to find the toggle for swiping to open the camera. However, one last condition is that your phone is running the latest version of iOS, which is at least iOS 26.1, right? So this is important because in the iOS 26 earlier versions or even in the older ones, this toggle did not exist. So you need to have this like latest version to make sure that it works the best for you, right? So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos like this one.